In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Agoda. Please note that this action cannot be completed from the Agoda mobile app. Instead, you need to use a web browser, either on your computer or on your mobile phone. I'll be demonstrating the process on a PC browser. Start by opening your browser and typing Agoda into the search bar, then press enter. From the results, click on the official Agoda link. Once you are on the website, make sure you are logged into your Agoda account. Next, click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you need to select the last option labeled Profile. Once inside your profile settings, scroll down a little and you will find your password section. Next to your password, you will see an option to edit. Click on this option. Before you can set a new password, Agoda will ask you to enter your current password, so make sure you remember it. After you enter the current password, type in the new password you want to use in the provided field. Then, in the following field, re-enter the same new password to confirm it. When you are done, click on the Save button. If everything was entered correctly, your password will be successfully updated. From this point onward, you will need to log in using your new password. And this is the complete process for changing your password in Agoda.